In this course, we'll define the four functions of management. Management is getting work done through others. Managers serve their companies well when they plan, organize, lead, and control. Planning involves determining organizational goals and a means for achieving them. Planning is one of the best ways to improve performance. It encourages people to work harder, to work for extended periods, to engage in behaviors directly related to goal accomplishment, and to think about better ways to do their jobs. But most importantly, companies that plan have larger profits and faster growth than companies that don't. Organizing is deciding when decisions will be made, who will do the jobs and tasks, and who will work for whom in the company. In other words, organizing is about determining how to get things done. Our third management function, leading, involves inspiring and motivating workers to work hard to achieve organizational goals. Leading is all about influence. The last management function, controlling, is monitoring progress towards goal achievement and taking corrective action when progress isn't being made. The basic control process involves setting standards to achieve goals, comparing actual performance to those standards, and then making changes to return performance to those standards. Management issues are fundamental to any organization. How we plan to get things done, organize the company to be efficient and effective, lead and motivate employees, and put controls in place to make sure that our plans are followed and our goals are met. Good management is basic to starting a business, growing a business, and maintaining a business after it's achieved some measure of success.